Dear colleagues from around the world, welcome to Barcelona. We're here in person in 2000 and now we return virtually 20 years later. Unfortunately, we're missing each other in that beautiful city, but the HPV science will be just as great.
We are disappointed we are not going to meet you in beautiful Barcelona, but we are convinced you are going to enjoy this exciting, innovative virtual papillomavirus conference. Participants will find the cutting-edge papillomavirus science usually present in previous conferences, but also this innovation and new opportunities the virtual format will bring.
At the IPVC meeting, I am looking forward to share a lot of science, the very best science on HPV. It's gonna be there.
I'm looking forward to the new possibilities to make HPV visible in the medical community by sharing the wealth of information that will be recorded in our sessions.
You will have time to see every presentation as many times as you want and to think questions to ask for the speakers.
I do think that the virtual conference will allow us to really interact in all tracks, because we will be able to visit any of the conferences, any of the talks, any of the posters. We will have as well about 3 months to be able to explore any detail and as well be able to interact with all our delegates.
And at the end, it's an opportunity to just take our time to enjoy each talk, which is not always possible with the classic format.
You don't need to travel. This year, the IPV 2020 will move the most relevant and current research closer to you. See you live.
We must continue to meet, learn and advance. See you online.